Hello, Mrs. Branch. This is Jonathan Morton, and this is a video showing my work for the last essay question for the Module 6 Part 2 test. I thought it'd be a really fun way to show my work and how I got my answers for question 4. So yes, let's get right into it. So here we have a couple numbers for a table. So I've gone ahead and I've made the table, and I'm going to fill it out, and that way you can see how I get my answers and stuff. So first of all, the first thing we know is that 90 students like watching television. So total students that like watching TV is 90. 20 students like watching television but not reading. So 20 students like watching TV but do not like reading. 80 students like reading. So total students that like reading is 80. And 40 students do not like watching TV. So total of students that do not like watching TV here would be 40. Okay, so now the rest is pretty easy because we already have a table, and the table is going to pretty much tell us the rest of the stats we need to know. So yeah, this would be the total amount of students that like reading and TV would be 70, because it is 70 plus 20 would be 90, which is the total. And the same method we can pretty much use here would be 10 students like reading but do not like TV, 70 plus 10. Here would be 30. Here would be 50. And then the total, which would be the amount of students that like TV and do not like TV, is 130, and the amount of students that like reading and do not like reading is also 130. So the total amount of students in this survey is 130, and we know that. So now that the whole table adds up, it's pretty easy to find the answers. So the first question, part A, would be, what percentage of total students surveyed like both watching television and reading? Well, here we would have to figure out the way that I found my answer for part A would be 70 is what percent of 130, because it's asking us what percentage of students like reading and television of the total amount of students, which would be about 54%. And the second question would be, what is the probability that if a student does not like watching television, that they also like reading? The answer to that one, the way that I found the answer to this question would be, the total of students that do not like TV is 40, and the amount of students that do not like reading or TV is 30. So the probability would be 30% of, not 30% of 40, would be 30 is what percent of 40, which is 30 is 75% of 40. So the probability that if a student does not like TV, what's the probability they also do not like reading would be 75%, because 30 is 75% of 40. And yes, that's how I found the answers for question 4. And yes, thank you for watching. I thought it'd be a very fun activity to be able to explain it like this and show you how I got the table together. Thank you a lot. Have a good day.